I think what's really important to understand is whether we're looking at interventions, whether we're looking at extensions, but data, using data is part of every decision that we make as a school. And it's not just important that a few people know and understand the data. I think it's absolutely essential that everybody understands not only the data, but why we're collecting it and what we're going to do as a result. That's what I think of multi-tiered systems of support and how they're successful at the school level.
Our intervention identification process um, takes a comprehensive, all student, all data approach. Our assessment coach creates a data wall, and that includes things like attendance, uh, prior test history data, pre assessment data, current grades, prior grades, and other data sources. And our instructional coaches use this data wall to identify students based on a predetermined set of priorities based on that time of year.
How do the coaches set those priorities?
We prioritize often based on SOL needs.
So we've gathered the data, we've made decision rules. Now what?
So coaches work by themselves sort of on their first step in order to look through, examine all of the data for the content area which they support, and really determine which students would be best served in this round or in this upcoming round of our intervention. And then after that, we bring our list to our collaborative teams so that they also can have a pass at taking a look at students, understanding why they've been identifying, asking any questions that they have, and then ultimately deciding how they would serve those needs within Pride Time and ASAP.
So there are several groups, almost like layers of groups of people who are looking at this data.
There are several layers. I think what's most important, though, is that the data drives the decisions. We don't make our decisions based on our feelings about students or our frustrations about students, but instead, really the data that determines what they need.